Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching us about how to fix a zipper. So now we're going to be fixing the zipper. I'll be showing 3 ways on fixing zippers to your skirt or to your pants. So I have an already ironed opening. I have an already ironed, let's say this is our skirt or our pants. So I'll be teaching you how to fix a zipper to it. So the way I fix my zipper, the first thing you're going to be doing is to pin the zip to the fabric, and this is how I do mine. So for the first zip method, you're going to fix it like this, an open zip, just like this. Are you seeing it here? Just like this. So this 0.5 is maybe, for instance, you are fixing your band to your pants or to your skirt, so you will not sew on top of this. So you do the same thing for the other side. Make sure they are the same amount you are leaving. If not, it will not be equal. So this is, we have already pinned the zipper to the skirt. So just for us to sew around, you can either use this foot or change to a zipper foot, because it gives you accurate sewing gauge for the zip. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but it's better to use a zipper foot. Okay, so now let's start from this other side. Okay. So this one is for the open zipper. So for the second one, we're going to be doing the overlap. So just the way we did on the first zipper, it's very important that you always pin. Then for this part, we're going to put it on top like this. Are you seeing it? It should cover it just like this. Then you hold it like this, and then are you seeing the inside? And make sure it's the same 0.5. Then you pin. So now this is what we have. It's very simple to do. It's beginner friendly, so very easy. So now for the other part, we are going to come out like this, then you zip like this, the same 0.5, then you pin. So here is your line, right? So you make sure it's very close to the zipper like this, very close like this. So let's pin. So if you want to sew this one, so these are it is from the other side. So if you want to sew this style instead, these are I do mine. So first of all I'll run a line on this part, a straight line on this part. The reason why I'm doing that is because when I run this straight line, by the time I'm sewing very close to the zipper, the zip will not shift. So that's why I prefer sewing first on this part, then before I will now go ahead to sew on this line. So this is what we have for now. Yeah, so this is how it should be. Then now we'll have to return and sew exactly where this line is, this line. Okay, rather after sewing this part, then you make sure that the sewing is very close to this zipper part for you to get a clean finish. You have to sew very close to this zipper teeth, this zipper part, which is here. This one is just our guideline, so that if we are sewing, the fabric or the zip will not move. So that's why I did it this way first. So now I'll be sewing it again. So this is it after sewing it, and here's the back, here's the front. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe for more DIYs.